Hi everyone, today's video is gonna be about an interesting article where they talk about how AI may not replace workers and what they need to do to not be replaced. So essentially this article tells us that what companies want nowadays are people who can work and learn with AI, and some of these capabilities, some of these uh, possible ways of interacting with AI is what is driving this job market. So basically, what they say in this new report is that 40% of professionals worry that AI will replace their jobs. But the majority of people in the companies, what they really are concerned is that very few people know how to interact with AI, which is not very surprising because not even the companies themselves know how to use or how to train people to use AI tools. So that's not a big surprise here. So one quote from the article is that 71% of company leaders say they would rather hire a less experienced candidate with AI skills than a more experienced candidate without them. So now we see the inversion that is happening in this job market. Essentially, they are saying that they don't want experience, they want inexperienced people who know how to use the AI tool. And here we should have a brief parenthesis here to tell that AI tools, they don't do everything by themselves, right? They are just replicating some information that they got from the outside world, from experts. Now, imagine what's going to happen in a world where people are using AI tools, but they are not experts on a particular topic. So, which is what these companies are here trying to find, right? What's gonna happen is that people will not have experience to know if an answer from the AI tool, ChatGPT or whatever they're using, is true or false answer, and that's very dangerous, right? Imagine if you have an engineer who is getting his or her information from an AI tool, and they are not experts, so they don't know if that answer is 100% correct. It's really a very strange world, let's say. uh, so basically, this article is explaining this situation, and is also saying that because of this, there is also a huge opportunity, right? Fantastic. Where if you just learn some AI tools, you can go around the world and get jobs where you don't have experience, but anyway, you can manipulate AI tools, so you can find a solution for these company leaders. Well, I don't think it is a great idea, but who knows what these people are thinking about. So next thing, they say that there is a dearth of talent, and consequently huge opportunity for these people. While AI is being talked about since the launch of ChatGPT, big companies have been very slow to integrate this technology. Of course, they don't know what they are doing, right? So that doesn't make any. It's not a surprise that this is happening. Now, something very interesting that I found is this quote that they must have AI skill is to be able to essentially talk to the AI tool. For example, OpenAI ChatGPT, Microsoft's Copilot, and Google's Gemini. So, according to a director, they are telling people that you have to give the AI a lot of context and treat AI like a very hard-working intern that will make mistakes occasionally. Well, I believe that half of this assertion is correct. Yeah, you have to give a lot of context to AI tools. Problem is that yes, they are gonna make mistakes occasionally, but who are gonna fix these mistakes? If you are, according to this report, hiring people who have less experience, and you know that this AI tool is gonna make mistakes, which is correct, how are you gonna fix that? This seems to be the strange part. So in a world that makes sense, we would have experts driving AI tools. At least that's how I view this working, and the AI tool would make that expert more productive because he can spend more time doing more useful things, and the easy things can be done by the AI tool. But that's not what companies have in their minds, right? The plans is to replace experts with less experienced people who can use these AI tools. So now you have a complete mess, a complete misuse of these technologies. Well, and then they say that the best way to upskill AI tools is to use them, and saying that through practice you can learn how to feed the LLM more descriptive prompts. Well, so that's the idea that if you just talk more to this LLM chat generating tool, we are gonna make it more intelligent. Well, that's not really true. When you train LLMs and other AI tools, they also can learn incorrect things. That's the reality. Unless you correct them, unless you have experts and people who really understand what they are doing. So yeah, that's the situation of the market. What we can learn from this is that one thing that employers really want these days is that you have a good understanding of how to interact with AI tools, which is a good thing. Unfortunately, the way they are using these tools seems to be completely wrong, and we are gonna see what's gonna happen in the future when this situation escalates. But yeah, that's what I had for today. We are discussing in this channel information about AI, relationship with job market, new technologies. So if you have interest in these topics, please comment, share, and join this channel. Thank you very much.